Hi, I'm Wayne, founder of smallgardenbox.com. By day and often night. I've spent most of my life behind the wheel as a long-haul truck driver. The road has been good to me, steady work, quiet sunrises, and time to think. But as I near retirement, I've started trading in diesel fumes for fresh soil, sawdust, and the smell of tomato vines. I've always enjoyed working with my hands. When I'm not out on the highway, you'll find me in my workshop tinkering with wood, picking on my guitar, or planting something new in the yard just to see it come to life. There's something deeply satisfying about building things. Whether it's a rustic planter box, a handmade bench, or a little backyard greenhouse to keep the peppers cozy through spring chills. Smallgardenbox.com is my way of sharing that joy. It's not just about garden boxes, it's about simple DIY projects. The beauty of growing your own food and carving out a little piece in your own backyard. No matter how small the space, whether you're a weekend woodworker, a beginner, gardener, or someone just looking to start a backyard hobby that doesn't require a second mortgage, you're in the right place. I write and build from experience, not perfection. And I believe there's room for everyone to create something meaningful, one project at a time. Thanks for stopping by. I hope you'll find something here that inspires you to pick up a hammer, a packet of seeds, or maybe even both. Let's grow something great.